Welcome to RPTC Graduate Blueprint Episode 1, The Roadmap Nobody Gives You. Can I tell you something that might completely change the way you think about research? Most people believe a master's or PhD is difficult because the research itself is difficult. I don't believe that's true. After helping hundreds of postgraduate students, I've realized something. Research isn't difficult. Poor guidance makes it difficult. And that's exactly why thousands of brilliant professionals never finish. Not because they lack intelligence, but because nobody ever shows them the complete roadmap. Almost every week I speak to professionals who tell me exactly the same story. I registered 2 years ago. I still don't have an approved topic. My supervisor keeps asking for corrections. I don't even know what Chapter 1 is supposed to achieve. They're not lazy, they're overwhelmed. At RPTC, we've noticed something fascinating. Whether you're studying education, business, public health, engineering, or social sciences, the research process follows a roadmap. Let me show you something that most universities never explain. The research process follows almost exactly the same roadmap: registration, topic, proposal, ethics, data collection, analysis, writing, submission, graduation. Registration is not simply enrolling, it is making 4 strategic decisions. You must choose the right university, qualification, supervisor, and research area. Choosing the wrong supervisor can delay your graduation by months. Choosing the wrong research area can make your literature review 10 times harder. This is why preparation starts before registration, not after. Most students think the topic comes first. It doesn't. The problem comes first. The topic simply describes the problem you're trying to solve. Topic, problem, aim, objectives, research questions, concepts. When your problem is weak, everything after that becomes difficult. Here's another mistake. Students think the proposal is simply something to submit. It's not. Your proposal is the blueprint for your entire research project. If the blueprint is weak, the house eventually collapses. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. Many students panic when they reach data collection. The truth is, if your proposal was designed properly, data collection becomes one of the easiest parts. Ethics, data collection, analysis, interpretation. By the time you reach Chapter 4, nearly 80% of your thinking should already be complete. You're no longer trying to figure out your study. You're simply reporting what your research discovered. Chapter 4, Chapter 5, editing, formatting, submission. Let me challenge something you may have believed for years. You do not need to be exceptionally intelligent to complete postgraduate research. You need clarity, you need consistency, and most importantly, you need a proven roadmap. Imagine hearing your name called. Imagine your children watching you walk across that stage. Imagine signing your emails. Doctor. That moment doesn't happen because someone was born smarter. It happens because they kept moving, one chapter at a time. Over the next 5 videos, I'm going to take you through every major stage of the postgraduate research journey. We'll cover how to choose an approved topic, how to build a proposal, how to analyze data, and how to finish your thesis while working full-time. If you're serious about earning your master's or PhD, subscribe and follow this series. Send the word roadmap to our WhatsApp for a free copy of the roadmap. Until then, remember, research doesn't have to be confusing. One chapter at a time, one milestone at a time, and before you know it, they'll be calling you doctor.